Nain Dominguez, El Paso County. This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child Abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in El Paso County. The El Paso County Sheriff's Office is searching for 2-year-old Nain Dominguez. Nain was last seen in the 1300 block of Forest Road about 6:15 this evening. Nain Dominguez is described as a Hispanic male with black hair and brown eyes. He was wearing a green sweatshirt and gray sweatpants and no shoes at the time of his disappearance. Investigators believe Nain Dominguez was seen being carried to a white van by an older dark-skinned male. 3 other people were seen with the older male. The van is described as a large white panel van with no windows in the back. Last seen 1300 block of Forest Road. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.